Now for this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create hyperlinks in your Canva template. So let's say for this template right here, I want to make a hyperlink for my social media profiles. It's very simple. All you have to do is click the element. You'll click the three dots. And as you guys can see, it says link. So now all you have to do is create the link that you want it to be. So I'm just going to say www.instagram.com. And now we see that if I click it, you see the hyperlink. It's the same thing for text. If we wanted to make the text a hyperlink, all you have to do is just double click it and you see the hyperlink already comes up. You'll just write in the link that you want it to go to. And now we can see the hyperlink is there. Now you want to make sure if you are creating hyperlinks in your documents that you export the file as a PDF. If you export the file as a PNG, as a JPEG or anything else, it will not allow you to utilize the hyperlinks. So you want to make sure that you export it as a PDF, and here's how you can do that. You'll go to Share, you'll go to Download, and with the file type, you're going to change it from PNG to PDF. I like to do the PDF standard. And then you want to make sure that the correct pages are selected. If you want to select just that one page that you're working on, you'll deselect all pages and you'll select current page. Or if you know the pages that you want to export, you could just select those pages as well. And then you'll hit done and download, and your PDF will be exported. All right, it's that simple. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments and be on the lookout for the next video.